Market with the team of Simba Wakati.
On December 12th,
Jamboree Day.
Village Market Bowling will be hosting an ISK day where you can come bring your ISK line, shirt or your ID card.
But as you know, there's always an ISK day here at Village Market with our partnership for Inspired Shopping. So, how do you sign up for this Inspired Shopping?
Step 1. Go shopping at all your favourite shops and collect your receipts. Step 2. Bring it here to the bonus desk and pick yourself up a bonus card. Upload all your points from your receipts onto the bonus card.
Then, just tell the people here at the desk that you want to take your points and donate them to ISK's community outreach initiatives.